Hello guys, in this video I will show you on how to create a simple application that adds two numbers using Dart. Okay, so let's start. So in here we'll be importing the Dart library, which is the Dart IO. And then in our main function we'll be displaying a text that says please input num1. Then on the second statement we'll be defining a variable. Then we'll be using the standard input. This will capture or read the input of the user. Okay, so stdin that read line sync. Okay, so by default the data type of standard input read line sync is string, so we need to convert that into integer. Okay, and then close with parentheses. Okay, so in this statement, okay, this will allow the user to input in the console application a value for our num1. As I said a while ago, the data type of this value, or the data type of the value of the standard input at readline sync is string, so we need to convert that into integer value so that we could perform addition, or we could add this number. So we'll just copy this one and we'll rename it to num2, and even this statement, and please input num2. Then in here we'll be defining a variable sum is equal to 0. Then sum is equal to num1 plus num2. So this is the operation to get the sum of the num1 and num2. And lastly, we'll be printing the result. So print the sum is, then $sign and the sum variable, semicolon. So we have finished the source code of our application. So let's try to run. Okay, so this is the console application of our application, and then just click on this portion to allow us to input a value. So for example 90. Okay, the value of num2 is 75, so the expected output is 165. Enter. So the sum is 165, so it is correct. So thank you for watching. See you on our next videos. God bless.